Develop Mode features many unique tools to improve your editing. Today, I'll focus on snapshots. Snapshots are image-specific saved adjustments. For example, in Develop Mode at the bottom right-hand corner, I can click between these snapshots that I've saved to have their characteristics applied to my image. This means that I can create these snapshots as I edit an image, essentially saving the adjustments in real time. Now I'll navigate back to Manage Mode. Images that have snapshots saved on them will appear with a little snapshot icon at the bottom of the thumbnail next to the development icon. This allows you to visualize which images have snapshots. To create a snapshot, we will open an image in Develop Mode. The first thing I'll do is create a snapshot of the default image. Navigate to Snapshots and click the plus button. I'll name the snapshot Default. From here, I'll make a single edit to this image. Under the development tools, I will scroll down to the color wheel. With it, I will move the color wheel to the orange spectrum by using the center marker. From here, I will change the hue of my image using the tools beneath the color wheel. I will change the color to pink and then click the plus button to save the snapshot. From here, I can swap between the two snapshots. Note that the development tools change to reflect the condition of the snapshot. You can use the snapshot that you've saved on your image to then save a preset if you want to apply these development changes to other images. Click on the link in the description for a video showing you how to create and apply those presets. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.